Alright guys, today we got a banger of a no, just kidding. Okay, don't start out like that. Alright, what's going on guys? As you all know, been a very good week for me, and I'm very blessed to have all the people around me supporting me, everything like that, and to be able to get this opportunity to have a full-time job as well as have support from you guys in the YouTube community and everything like that, and continue, you know, this as a side venture and up the quality of the production. So now we have financial stability, and so I went out and I guess I gifted myself a little something. I didn't break the bank, I'm so good, but I bought a daily, well not a daily, I bought kind of a weekend thing to cruise around in. It is faster than my FD, however it does not have 4 wheels. It only has 2. So on to reveal my brand new to me, 2007 Yamaha FZ6. Yo, what's going on guys? Before we get into today's video, I do want to do a quick shout out to Ridge for sponsoring this video. They have sent me their wallet case right here. It holds up to 6 cards. It's very nice. Also has a little cash strap on the back. I only have $5 in there right now because I have an RX7. Very expensive on gas. They also sent me their little key holder right here. It holds up to 6 keys. Very cool. Slides in and out. Very easy to use. Has a little keychain right here. Titanium as well. Both of them are actually titanium. Super cool colors. Matches my exhaust tip right there. So if you guys want to get one for yourselves, they're super lightweight, easy to carry. The link will be in my description below. Alright, so basically I woke up I texted the guy last night. I saw it for sale. It's been up sale. It was for sale for a couple weeks, and I was like, you know what? It was a good price, so I went up and met with him. He actually went to our school, me and Ethan's school, and Griffin. Me and Ethan and Griffin's school. He was a year older than me, so he's a pretty cool guy. We talked about school for a little, and then we talked about the bike. It's pretty good. It has around 27,000 miles on it, so fairly low for sport touring for this year, for 2007. It has obviously been down. You could see some of the imperfections. It's got a dent in the tank right there. It clearly went down. The clutch casing, housing, whatever, is kind of scratched up. But other than that, the fairings aren't too cracked or anything like that. I think there's a small crack like right here. And other than that, everything else is OEM except for the levers. It has adjustable shorty levers for the clutch and brake, which is pretty cool because I don't have big hands, so it's easier to basically get the clutch and brake to squeeze. And yeah, me and Ethan drove me basically to get it this morning, and it was we picked it up with no issues. I mean, I had no gas, but it was like 20 bucks to fill up a full tank, and that was with like a really expensive gas place. So it realistically probably like $15 to fill up a full tank. So pretty good on gas mileage. It's pretty quick. I'll probably get some. Maybe I'll throw my GoPro on and show you guys some riding footage. But maybe I'll just fly up and down the street and Ethan can film that. But yeah, other than that, it just has aftermarket bars, which are a little too big. They're like dual sport bars, so when I turn all the way, it like hits my hand on the mirror, which is like whatever, you know, it happens. And then it has this rear bike rack. I have this he gave me this fat ass what was it, Ethan? It was like a luggage thing.
You could literally grab it and walk away. It also could have had saddlebags, but this guy nickel dimed him for $50 off,
dude,
so he didn't get them.
Hey man, you know, FD life, bro. You gotta stay, you know, stay cheap. Okay, anyways.
Man was giving this guy the ringer.
Yeah. So the only thing I don't like is these ball sack turn signals. You guys see these? Just floppy ass turn signal. I don't like them, and I don't like these ones either. You got these. Yep. You got these ones in the front too. I don't like that. I don't like that, bro. So I'm probably gonna go out and buy. Luckily, the best thing about motorcycles is the parts are so much cheaper than any car part, man. These turn signals, LED ones, small ones that are really cool, $30 on eBay. So cheap, man. If I wanted turn signals for that, it'd be like $500. Okay, not 500, but they're around $300 for those turn signals on the FD bumper. It's ridiculous. So yeah, honestly, this one's set up to go cross country if I wanted to. I'm obviously not gonna do that, but if I wanted to take a trip, I could have luggage bag. Everyone drop a comment if you guys want to see Ethan get a bike. I'm trying to push him to get a bike right now. So guilty as charged, bro.
I'm gonna get one very soon now.
Yeah.
I didn't want one, then I rode this one, and now I want one.
Now he wants one again.
Yeah. No, it's gonna happen.
Yeah,
we're all gonna get one.
He wants the FZ6 because this is
I want this exact. It's not original, but I want this exact bike.
This is the fastest sport touring you can get in this year for around that price range. Yeah.
Want this?
That's a 600. Yeah, that's not a super sport. Yeah. So.
Wait, Eric.
What?
It's got good paint.
Yeah. No. Well, it has this blemish right here.
You know.
And other than that, I mean, it doesn't have.
I mean,
it's not as bad as my FD. That's not as bad as FD. That's all I'll say.
Don't follow his example with a no helmet.
Oh yeah, I'm just test riding it right now around the block, so nothing crazy.
Drive safe. Someone cares about you.
Are those spots new? No, it's not new. All right, guys,
Driver's side or driver's side?
Driver's side or yeah, we're currently figuring out where to put the new Hashiria sticker. So Ethan's he's mocking it up real quick. Can you wash motorcycles? Yeah. Can you wash them or no? Oh, that looks sick.
That could be cool.
That could be sick. Wait, will it fit?
Yeah, it'll fit.
Okay.
Petition for him to start motovlogging. You gotta get really, really upset at cars and start being a vigilante, and no one cuts anyone off.
I know, but it's gonna look weird. See, like, look, if I do this, it's gonna be like from the, not from my. No.
I mean,
damn, look who popped up, bro.
I wanted to check out the pocket bike.
He just spawns. Yeah. Whenever anything happens, he spawns.
I told him I got something new, something that could beat him. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not even fast on a bike, bro. I barely know how to ride it. You brought your Honda?
The Honda GTR, yeah.
Jeez. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. I mean, it's like standard. It's a standard like bike. It's whatever.
It's a nice pocket bike.
Yeah. It'll get me around town. Yeah. 45 miles to the gallon average.
Some light.
Whatever. Yeah. Something cool.
So
should be cool.
Can ride.
Yeah, exactly. No, I could have 3 people, bro. That's why I have this third.
Is that for me?
That's for you, bro. This for you. This one's for Ethan, bro. And this one's for me, bro. We're gonna triple stack that shit.
Like this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool.
You can triple stack that shit.
Yeah.
All right, man. I hope you guys like that little bike intro. Super awesome bike. Super cool. Everything surprisingly works on it, and it has good paint. I'm just gonna leave the keys in there. Hopefully no one steals it. But now we gotta install some stuff on the FD. Not sponsored.
But sponsored.
NRG.
Oh, I got pointed at me.
NRG quick release, bro. This was gonna be Valentine on the Toge. This new steering wheel setup.
You need to shave some weight off because you know what happened last time.
What happened? I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, because you cheated. Yeah, because mine's bone stock and yours is
fully modded.
Modded, yeah.
Full bolt-on, built motor.
Exactly.
IAG block, big turbo.
Yep. Well, my FD's bone stock, so.
Yeah, hella stock.
Hella stock, bro.
Hella stock. Just got tuned, hella stock.
Hella stock. Stock tune, bro. All right, man. Rest in peace to my neighbors. To the one time. Guys, I almost forgot I got a subwoofer grill. So we got new rims for the subwoofer. This is about to be sick. Yeah, SSR Minerva. This is gonna be sick, bro.
Yeah.
I'm about to. Alright, so in order to do this, I think you just. This comes off. Yup, there. Oh, we're so smart, guys.
Big brain,
bro. Big brain. That should fit, but I still don't know.
Bro. Minerva.
I think it just. Oh, maybe. I think this comes off too. Jeez, bro. That shit's hella clean, dude. 3-piece subwoofers, bro. So Ethan got it all in, super nice. We got like 4 bolts on it.
Yeah, something like
there was like only like 2 actual ones on it before, so it's better. Twice as good technically.
Yep.
Obtaining the tools right now for deconstruction. We have everything in here. Pink energy hub. Hey, yo, so we got this energy sticker. I think, yo, we about to Damn, that's way
next
cooler.
level.
Energy,
That's next level.
dude. Energy wheels.
That's just gonna turn the wheel though.
Huh?
That's just gonna turn. Oh,
No.
That was so loose, dude. Oh, that was-
You don't need a tight steering wheel, right?
That's why it's called quick release.
Yeah.
yeah.
You know, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, you're good.
All right, so we can't get the hub off because it's like locked on there. So
Eric tightened it really tight. So.
I tightened it too tight. Yeah, that was my bad. So now we gotta do this wheel method, put a couple bolts on and just rip it off. Well, not rip it off, but you know, just shake it off. Ethan was asking what's the horn situation. There's absolutely no horn in my car. There's as much of a horn in my car as there is in your white 36.
That has a horn.
Oh, really?
No, it not anymore. I got rid of it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. See, man's
did, though.
capping.
It used to.
Happened.
Wait, when you had it?
When I got it, it had a horn.
Oh, never mind. Okay, well, mine never had one, so.
Ooh.
Push to the left.
What are you watching, bro?
Dude, I'm watching a YouTube video while making a YouTube video. It's,
That's next
it's
level.
a YouTube inception, bro.
Switch right here.
Dude, they're taking like 5 minutes to just take off the wheel. They're kind of bad with it.
Sorry,
Alright,
Michelle.
so Ethan got grease on his new pants. He said sorry to his girlfriend that got them for him. Must be nice, but anyways, subtle flex and for the single people out there, including myself. Anyways, we're gonna try to take this steering column out. Yeah, steering column, because that was easy. I was gonna say it may be really difficult, but alas, Ethan is. I also don't really care that much about it, but you know, it makes the car look somewhat complete. But also, once again, my car's not really a complete car, so at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. Oh, maybe he can just crack it open.
There it goes.
Yep, that was it. Bro's drumming it out. So Ethan cut it out enough where now he's
Yeah,
giving
look at
that,
that handle.
dude, he's giving the gawk
Look at that.
to that wrench, bro. That shit was crazy.
Yo, that's
I know
crazy.
exactly how he does that too. I've seen it.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right, so Ethan hit that crazy alignment on the quick release. He got it all set up. Look at that. Look at that. It's all on. By the way, the YouTube video online, man, you suck. Even though it's from like 5 years ago, man, you suck. You have to actually drill out and Dremel out the just Dremel out the steering column. So I don't know who makes YouTube videos out there for RX7s, but man, you guys need to, yeah, you
Every
guys.
single RX7 video on YouTube is really
Dude, that's
subpar.
big
Honestly.
facts, bro. Especially that Sushi guy. The guy's trash.
Who?
The guy's garbage.
The Tsushima guy.
Yeah, Tsushima guy. I don't know.
I hate that guy.
Yeah, you don't like him?
No.
Shit,
He
yeah.
thinks he's fast.
Yeah, no. He beat you. I saw him. I remember I saw that video where he beat you. So
Yeah. Rerun it.
Dude.
Rerun the clip.
I'll tell
Run
him.
the clip.
I'll tell him
Run
to
the
run
clip.
it. I'll tell him to run. Yeah. Shit.
Show the viewers.
Oh no.
That shit was sick.
Ethan's learning how. I don't even know how to do. Okay, ready? Oh, that was anticlimactic. Wait, rerun it one time. All right, ready?
So I'm gonna be really bright.
Yeah. I pretend you're making a TikTok. Oh, dude, you're one of those TikTok girls.
Don't fuck with it. That's not going anywhere though.
Sheesh. Why isn't it? Sheesh. That's baller spec, bro. That's, oh my god, the pink is so cool. Okay, now I just have to do my shift knob. Anyone that knows how to do it yourself shift knob, let us know, because we don't.
I implore him to not do that. I have done one, and it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah, Ethan says don't do it because it's a pain. I'm like, YOLO.
You have condoms under here.
Really?
No.
Oh. Yo, what's going on, guys? If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I'm not feeling too well right now, but I do feel pretty good about getting that new bike. It's pretty fun. Just, you know, if you have one yourself or you're thinking about getting one for yourself, just be safe out there, because they're not the safest vehicle you can buy. But yeah, it's overall, I'm pretty happy with the purchase, and I'll be riding it around on the weekends, maybe on some Fridays to work, but yeah, we'll see. Anyways, once again, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I need your head right